We at Thought Chakra wish you a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day celebrates the adoption of Constitution of India on January 26, 1950. While India gained independence from British Raj in 1947, it wasn't until January 26, 1950 that the Constitution of India came into effect, making India a sovereign state and declaring it as a republic. The Constituent Assembly held its first session on December 9, 1946 and last session on November 26, 1949. And the Constitution was adopted 1 year later. Dr. BR Ambedkar headed the drafting committee of the Constitution. What is the historical significance of Republic Day? Republic Day celebrates the spirit of independent India. On this day in 1930, the Indian National Congress proclaimed Purna Swaraj from colonial rule. Republic Day also celebrates the Indian citizens' power to choose their government democratically. On this day, President of India unfurls the national flag, followed by spectacular military and cultural pageantry. Additionally, the President of India distributes Padma Awards to deserving civilians of the country, and brave soldiers are awarded with Paramveer Chakra, Ashok Chakra, and Veer Chakra. We at Thought Chakra wish you a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. Subscribe Thought Chakra for more.